Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to share 3 hidden features or tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. So for that, let's jump into the video. The first hidden feature is the dark mode. Yes, you can apply dark mode on the Galaxy A03 Core. For that, go to settings and then go to display, and on top you can see the dark mode. Just turn it on. Now you can enjoy dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. And the next tip is that you can see the percentage of your battery. For that, go to settings, then go to display again, and now scroll down and turn on the option of show battery percentage. Now you can see the battery percentage of your phone. And third hidden feature is the privacy manager. For that, go to settings and go to the privacy option. Now go to the privacy manager, which is on top. Here you have different options like call logs, camera or contacts. Now here you can see which app is using which permission. Like let's see camera. Here you can see which apps are using camera permission. And now I'm going to stop WhatsApp from camera. Open it and here select deny. So that's how you can stop WhatsApp from using camera permission. Okay, so these were the 3 hidden features or tips and tricks of the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.